Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well, guys, in order to harvest, you need to invest. If you do not invest, you do not harvest. Simple and straightforward. As far as this IELTS is concerned, at the moment you are preparing for IELTS, you are giving your time, effort, energy, money, okay, and all your resources are towards IELTS, right? So this is your today's investment. And remember, your today's investment is your tomorrow's harvest. Whatever you are going to invest today, you are going to harvest that tomorrow. And that tomorrow is not going to come after 20, 30 years. That tomorrow is just a couple of months away. That tomorrow is just a couple of, years away, and the harvesting season will start, okay? Sometimes we don't believe what we do. We don't believe the results, the outcomes of certain actions that we are going to perform. Now, if you know that after IELTS, once you get your desired band, you will get the visa and then you'll be able to fly to your destination country. If you believe these things, then you feel like studying. You feel like giving your time to IELTS. You feel like preparing for IELTS and all that. IELTS will become a pleasant journey for you. But if you are the victim of doubt, if you are always negative, if you are doubtful that whether this will happen with you or not, and all these doubts come from different sources. So what I believe strongly is that you need to believe in the beauty of tomorrow so that you work optimistically today. Now, as far as this IELTS is concerned, it's very straightforward. I mean, if I see some of my students, those who prepared from me or those who watched my videos in 2022, now it's the beginning of 2024 and they are in their destination country. They are very happy. I receive messages every day, right? And now some are doing jobs, some are doing their business. And they are prosperous now. They are independent now. They've got money. They've got freedom. They are enjoying their lives. Although some of them are working very hard. They're working for 18 hours, 16 hours a day. But still, they are enjoying a lot. So the thing is, if you want to harvest, you must invest. Without investment, there is no harvest. Once upon a time, I was English language teacher, right? And then one of my friends advised me to teach IELTS, and first I was reluctant. Now teaching, or the decision of teaching IELTS, was actually my investment. I still remember those days there were only 3 books of Cambridge available. Book number 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I was preparing for IELTS, like there was book 4 as well. So just 4 books, Cambridge IELTS books, right? And my first interaction with IELTS was so horrible. Like one of my friends, he played a listening test and he said, go through this test. And he didn't give me any tip, technique and all that. And I got only few right answers. And my reaction or my response was flight response. I wanted to leave it, and I was very happy with spoken English, so simple to teach and all that. But that was the time for me to invest. I invested. I attended a course in British Council. That was IELTS course, 1-day workshop, right? I appear in exam, right? At that time I got 8 band, right? So I appear in exam. Then I started teaching IELTS and I invested my time, my resources, my, money and all that. And today I'm harvesting what I invested. So IELTS now, right now, if you are preparing for IELTS, this is your investment. Invest. And more you invest, more you harvest. Exactly. If you're going to invest into IELTS, your time, your resources, you watch my videos, you take practice tests, you take mock tests, you do listening, reading, writing, more you invest, more you are going to harvest. And what is your harvest? More harvest means better bench score in IELTS. If you give little time, if you invest little, you will get 4 band, 4.5 band. If you invest more, you will get 6, 7 band, and maybe more than your desired band. And this thing, is going to make you successful. And remember, the countries we belong to, our success is not our success. Success of one person influences his or her entire family. Even the success of one person influences his relatives, even his neighbors, and then more and more people become successful. I know a family, everybody in that family is doctor. Parents both are doctors. Their children, 3 children, they are doctors. And the son got married with another doctor, and the daughter got married with another doctor. Everyone is a doctor, right? So once you, the first person who became a doctor, he influenced others, or he attracted others to join the same profession. In the same way, if you are going to be successful, I know many people that elder brother went to a foreign country and he called younger brother. One person went to a foreign country, he married with his relative and he called that relative as well. So like this, there are dozens of examples, and I would say you are the game changers and you have to change this game. Today you are preparing for IELTS, and tomorrow you'll be sitting somewhere enjoying your life, enjoying latest facilities. One of my students, he went to Australia. He appeared in IELTS. He was my in-campus class student. He got his desired band, and now he is, I see him on Facebook. He's got nice photos with wonderful cars, with wonderful yachts, luxury boats and all that, and he's enjoying his life, okay? So you are making your future at the moment. You are working on your future. Working on IELTS is working on your future. If you do it today, tomorrow you'll be fine. Otherwise, if you don't reach UK, you will go to Muridke. Muridke is a small town in Pakistan, right? If UK, not UK, then Muridke, and life is never going to be the same, right? Either you improve or you go backward, right? Anyways, thank you so much. I wish you best of luck. Your today's effort is your tomorrow's treasure. Believe in everything you do and you're going to be very, very successful. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.